Hey friends, if you wish to turn daylight savings time on or off in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane, and then you will have this option to set time zone automatically. Now if your time zone is such that it has this daylight saving option, let's say that it is the central time, okay, then you will this option for adjust for daylight saving automatically will appear. Now I believe that it should be checked by default, but if it is not checked, then I mean if you turn it off, then daylight saving will not be counted, and if you turn it on, then daylight saving will be adjusted automatically. You can check the time here and just check the difference that turning this switch on and off makes. It is a difference of 1 hour. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.